Hey guys, it's winter here in Canada and there's still 3 months left before the riding season, so I thought I'd share my thoughts on my Cardo Freecom 2 Plus Bluetooth communication system. Let's start with the pros. As opposed to many Cena models, it's truly waterproof, IP67. Competitive price, 289 Canadian for the dual pack. It connects to any Bluetooth headset. Slim design, music sharing feature. The volume automatically adjusts to ambient noise level. Battery lasts 13 hours and you could even use it while plugged into your USB port. There's a range of 500 meters, noise filtering. You can answer phone calls by voice command. The speakers sound pretty cheap out of the box, but if you also wear earplugs, it reduces high frequency sounds like wind noise or high notes and lets the bass through, resulting in a much richer sound quality. Installation was pretty easy. You can get Google Map indications while keeping your eyes on the road. You can decide with your passenger when and where to stop. And the last point, which was a bit surprising to me, is that it's much less tiring on the highway than just wind noise. Now with the cons. The added weight is initially noticeable on lighter helmets, though you get used to it fairly quickly. The voice command feature that allows to answer the phone isn't very accurate. At times I sneezed and the system thought I was trying to call someone. The Freecom 4 Plus has much more advanced and complete voice operation features, but it also costs nearly 50% more for the dual pack. The kit came with one clip and one adhesive mount. The clip didn't fit on my Shoei and the adhesive only lasted about a month. I used the clip on my girlfriend's HJC helmet and replaced the adhesive on my helmet with 3M double-sided tape. The Velcro holding the microphone also came apart. Thankfully, there was a spare included in the kit. The speakers are a bit large for my Shoei RF 1200 cutouts. They fit really tight and aren't perfectly flush, so my ears often get caught up in there when putting on my helmet. The first set I received was terrible. The audio sharing was lagging, it was constantly disconnecting from my phone, it simply wasn't functioning as intended after resetting everything and upgrading firmware. After about a month of painful back and forth emails with Cardo, they finally sent me 2 replacement devices, just the devices. Based on my experience, I would highly recommend calling them instead of emails. You'll save a lot of time and suffering. Updating the system was a pain in the ass. They've since updated their website and app, making it a bit easier. The button combinations aren't all super easy to remember if you're not using it daily. Bottom line, there's tons of communication systems out there, from Cena's to generic AliExpress devices. I've yet to find anything that was absolutely perfect, but once the issues with my Cardo were resolved, I can say I'm absolutely happy with it. I never thought I'd enjoy listening to music while riding, but it's actually pretty nice and you can still hear the exhaust note. Thanks for watching, and for those of you living in warmer parts of the world, ride safe.
Goodbye.